Hello friends, welcome to quiz number 11. So, by looking into this program, what do you think the output of x, y, z greater than x and this if condition would be? So do let me know in the comment box as to what did you calculated, what was the answer, and if your answer matches the one we'll just check today. So do let me know. Okay, let's check the answer. So the answer is x is false, y is true, z greater than x is false again. And then for this if condition, it prints me hello. Okay, let's see how this output came. I'll explain to you. Okay, so let's see the first one. In the first one, we have the equation where we have x plus 2, or better enough, I'll copy from here itself. So do watch out for where the brackets are. It will be helpful in the correct calculation. So, okay. So first of all, we are testing if this expression x plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 2 or not. And then we have our not operator to finally give us the output. So first of all, what is the value of x here? It is 1. So if I substitute this equation with the value of x is 1. So 1 plus 2, is it equals to 1 plus 2? Yes, 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 2, right? So the output of this equation should be actually true. But you have a not operator. Exclamation sign is your not operator. What does that mean? It means that you need to reverse your result. Okay, so if this is true, the final answer will be false. So hence, for the value of x, we got the answer as false. Okay, clear? Now let's go to y. In the case of y, y value is 2 in this particular case. Z is 5. And when I go to this equation, which says it is actually testing if the value of y is equals to z or not. Okay, so exclamation, which is not operator, 2 double equals to 5. Is this equals? No, it is not equal. So inside the bracket, the output will be false. And what is the reverse of false? It is true. So I can safely say my answer is true. For what? For the variable y. So I'm printing with this y double equals to z, and the reverse of it I'm printing as the value of y. So if I go and check this equation, it gives me true as expected, right? So y is actually not y here, but in the value of y, we are printing y double equals to z, and we are printing the reverse of y double equals to z. Okay, so let's come to the third one where we are calculating z greater than x. Now, what is the value of z? It is 5. And what is the value of x? It is 1. So if I pick my equation from here, if I take my equation from here, I write this here. So exclamation or the not operator, z is what? 5 greater than x. X is 1. So is it true or false? It is true indeed. 5 is greater than 1. So this is true. Exclamation means what? It will reverse the result for me, right? So what is the output? It became false. Let's check that. So see, this is false as expected as we calculated. Now coming on to the last condition, the if condition. So let me wipe this off. So here we have multiple equations. So the first one will take first. So this uses your logical operators and or. So if you remember, we discussed this in the last video as well. So and is when all the conditions are satisfied, only then the output is true. Even if one of the output is false, then the final output will be false. So we need all the outputs to be true for the final output to be true. Okay, let's see what happens. So first of all, here it says x double equals to y. So what x double equals to y means what? 1 double equals to 2. Is 1 double equals to 2? No. So we can safely write this as false. Getting me, guys? See, x double equals to y. 1 double equals to 2, which is not correct. So the answer will be false. And we have the not operator here. Then you have your and operator here. What is y plus z? Y is 2. 2 plus 5. That means 2 plus 5 gives me 7. Is 7 greater than z, which is 5? So, yes, this is true. So, I'll replace it with a true. I'll replace it with a true. Let's go back because we have our not operator here. So, this will become true only. It will reverse the result. So, it becomes true. So, true and true. And operator means what? If all conditions are true, then the final output is true. So, I get this as true. Okay. So, one work is done. Next comes this equation. Okay. Now, we come to this equation. What does this say? Z minus 3. Z is what? 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. So, first of all, I write exclamation sign. Then I write 2 double equals to 0. Is 2 double equals to 0? No, 2 is not double equals to 0. So, I will write it as false. And I reverse the result because of the exclamation sign or the not operator. And what it becomes? It becomes true, right? Reverse of false is true. So we have true here. We have true here. Let's substitute here. So it will be true and true. Gives me the final output as true only, which means what? If the final output of this if is true, it means it can go inside the if condition. Go inside the if condition means what? Go inside this block of code. Now, what is the block of code here? So here it says, just print me hello. And hence it prints you a hello. Because it was able to go inside if the condition was satisfied. The condition was true. See, from this equation we got true. From this equation also we got true. And there was an AND operator here. So I combined this together, which gave me the final output as true. So it means it can go inside this if condition. And the piece of code was just to display the message hello. So it was able to display the message hello. So in this example, we have used arithmetic operators, which is the addition sign, subtraction sign. We have used the relational operators, which is the double equals to or the comparison operator, the greater than sign, right? And we have used the logical operators, which are your AND operator and your NOT operator in this particular program. So this program is a good combination of your arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. Hope it helps you in revising the operators. If you have any queries, do write me in the comment box. And if you have any questions other than this program, any other topic which you want me to explain, please let me know. I will explain in detail. And guys, if you like my video, do like and subscribe and feel free to share it to your friends. Thank you so much.